This is the second method of calculation of depreciation, which is known as written down value method. Written down value method means diminishing balance method, where the depreciation is charged every year on reduced value. The reduced value in the beginning of each year, it is a different method. It is a different method. The procedure of making the account will be same, but how we will calculate depreciation, you have to focus on it. You have to focus on this. Turn on your cameras, everyone, because if your cameras are off, I will remove you from the class. Immediately I will remove without any warning now. Make the format in your notebooks. This is machinery account. Prince and Ravi, turn your camera on. Prince and Ravi, turn your camera on, or you are removed from the class. A company purchased a second-hand machine on 1st April 2003. First April 2003, machine was purchased. Look there, 1st April 2003. When the machine is purchased on 1st April 2003 for rupees 30,000 and immediately spent rupees 4,000 on its repair and 1,000 on its installation. 1,000 on installation, 3,000, 4,000 on repair. So total amount is 35,000. $35,000. I hope it is clear to you. 35,000. Machine's cost is 35,000. Total cost of the machine. साथ साथ क्वेश्चन को करते रहिए. I should see everybody doing it in their notebooks.
क्वेश्चन नंबर
प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 और 14 होगा आपकी बुक में. कंपनी परचेज a second hand machine on 1st April 2003 for 30,000 and immediately spent rupees 4,000 on repair and 1,000 on installation. On October 1st, 2005, the machine was sold for 25,000. Depreciation is 10% per annum on diminishing balance method. This is a different method. So I will tell you how we will solve this diminishing balance method. So we start October 1st 2005 तक क्वेश्चन चलेगा आपको. October 1st 2005. Okay. So we proceed on 2004 31st March. Depreciation will be charged. %10 on 35,000. $3,500 is the depreciation on 35,000 for whole year. So the balance is balance is 31,500, which we will carry down. Here 31,500 is the reduced value of asset. This value 31,500 is the written down value or diminished value. Value जो मशीन की कम हो गई है. Value which is reduced. Earlier the machine was of 35,000 when it was purchased total. Now its reduced value is 31,500. We will write it here 31,500. And on the 31st March, we will charge depreciation. Now we will charge depreciation on the reduced value or written down value. Pay attention, Ars Malik, Bilal. Earlier the value was 35,000. The original cost of machine was 35,000. But now after 1 year, the value of machine is 31,500. And this is known as the reduced value or written down value. And now the depreciation will be charged on this machine. This written down value 31,500, 10% will be 3,150. 3,150. We have calculated depreciation on the reduced value. Again, I am telling you 31,500 and not on the original value 35,000. Like in the first method or the original cost method or equal installment method, the depreciation is always calculated on ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट. तो अगर ये पहला वाला मेथड होता तो हम दोबारा से 35,000 पे डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करते और वो दोबारा से आता 3,500. द डिफरेंस, नोट डाउन द डिफरेंस. हियर वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन रिटन डाउन वैल्यू और रिड्यूस्ड वैल्यू, और इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डिमिनिश्ड वैल्यू. That is why the name is diminishing value method or reduced value method or written down value method. Because जो value depreciation charge करने के बाद आएगी asset की, depreciation will be charged on that asset or on that value, on that reduced value. So it should be very, very clear. Every year you should know the value of asset, the value of asset. 3,150 आ गई वैल्यू. अब Prince, write down balance.
लिख लिया सर.
By balance carried down $28,350, 31,500 minus 3,150. Now the reduced value is 28,350. इसको नीचे लेके आएंगे आप. 2005 1st April to balance brought down 28,350. Now the balance of the machine is 28,350 and we are in the year 2005. In the year 2005, on 1st October, the machine is sold. Machine is sold for 25,000. Now the depreciation will be charged for how many months? Ayush Yadav. Depreciation will be charged for how many months? Ayush. सुनाई दे रहा है तुम्हें? Not getting. Bilal.
Yes, sir.
Will be charged for how many months? बिलाल को भी आवाज.
7th month sir. 7.
हाँ जी.
7.
काउंट कैसे हुए 7 months?
Sir, 6.
Just 6 months.
6 months.
April.
बिलाल 6 month है भाई, 7 नहीं है.
जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर. 1 अक्टूबर को तो मशीन बेच दी है. Therefore, October is not included. It is April, May, June, July, August, and September only. That is 6 months. So we come this side 2005, 1st October by debt. कितना debt? 28,350 multiplied by 10 upon 100 multiplied by 6 upon 12. मैंने यहां पर कैलकुलेशन भी दिखा दी उसकी, so that it is clear to you. Depreciation is calculated for 6 months. 28,350. 10% is 2,835. 2,835 और इसका हाफ कर देंगे 6 मंथ के लिए. पूरे साल का है 2,835. So Ansika, what will be the
1,418. 1,418 sir.
1,417.50.
18 sir.
417.50. We will round off 1,418. This is the debt. On 1st October, machine is sold by bank account. Machine is sold for 25,000. तो कितने रुपए का लॉस हो गया?
So 932.
8,350. The cost of machine, the reduced value of machine is 28,350. उसमें 1,418 डेप लग गया, माइनस 25,000 की बेच दी, उसे माइनस कर देंगे. लॉस हो गया हाउ मच?
932.
1,932.
1,900.
32.
1,932. 1932 rupees. 1932 rupees जो है इस मशीन में हमें लॉस हो गया. I hope you have understood the method well. The method is very important. Written down value method, it is known as written down value method. पहले जो हमने 2 क्वेश्चन 3 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हैं, they were original cost method. Original cost method. Here we are doing written down value method. A simple question I have taken, in which you have to focus on the date of purchase, the date of sale, the months for which the depreciation is to be charged in the year of sale. I have already given you 2 important points regarding this. I have given you in the year of purchase, depreciation is charged for what period? It is charged from the date of purchase to the last working day of the financial year, that is 31st March. The date of purchase to financial year's last date, which is 31st March. Mahima, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Sahiba? Ankit Kujur, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
This is the second method in which I told you the difference between the two. The difference is that the depreciation is not charged on the original cost every year. Depreciation is charged on the reduced value, of the asset, the written down value. The written down value is the value in which the depreciation is charged every year. Every year depreciation charge करने के बाद 1 अप्रैल को जो वैल्यू आएगी उसमें आपको depreciation charge करना है for the coming year. Again, I am telling you once again. Look here. The machine was purchased for 35,000. It starts from here. Then you write 35,000 here, and you charge depreciation on 35,000, which comes out to be 3,500, 10%. After that, the value remains 31,500. The reduced value, the written down value is 31,500. So next year, the depreciation is charged on 31,500, which comes out to be 3,150. 3,150 को minus किया, the reduced value is 28,350. Reduced value, the written down value. So on this written down value, we have to calculate depreciation on the next year, the year of sale. The machine is sold on 1st October. So for 6 months, April, May, June, July, August and September, 6 months, depreciation is charged. On which value now? 28,350. इस वैल्यू पे हमेशा डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करना है जो 1st अप्रैल को वैल्यू होगी मशीन की. 1st April, the value of the machine, we will charge depreciation on it because it is the reduced value, the written down value. It is the reduced value or the written down value. So when we charge interest on it for 6 months, it is 1,418. 1,418 is the depreciation on the reduced value, 28,350. So now After that, asset is sold for 25,000 and there is a loss of 1,932. How it is calculated? First of all, 28,350 जो कॉस्ट है मशीन की, उसमें से आप माइनस करिए डेप्रिसिएशन 1,418, फिर जो वैल्यू आएगी उसमें से माइनस कीजिए 25,000 एंड यू गेट द लॉस, बिकॉज मशीन की कॉस्ट ज्यादा है, रिड्यूस्ड वैल्यू, और आपने उसे कम वैल्यू में बेचा है, दैट इज व्हाई देयर इज लॉस. Yesterday we also did a question in which there was profit. So if there is profit, it will come this side. Statement of profit and loss. In bracket you will write profit on sale of machine. Profit on sale of the asset. I hope it is clear to all of you. Bilal, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Method, have you understood?
सर ये जो बीच में आ रही है ना मशीन, जिसको बीच में खरीद ले रहा है अक्टूबर में या उससे पहले, तो वहां पे दिक्कतें आ रही हैं.
You have to keep in mind very clearly on what date the machine is purchased. I told you, whenever the machine is purchased, you will charge depreciation from that date till the end of the accounting year. जिस दिन भी कोई खरीदेंगे उस दिन से आगे की तरफ जाएंगे, because we will use the machine in future. So उस डेट आगे की तरफ you will move further. तो अगर कोई मशीन अक्टूबर में खरीदी है तो अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, 6 महीने का डेप लगेगा. अगर कोई मशीन आप आज खरीद रहे हैं, आज क्या है, दिस इज अक्टूबर 23rd, तो अगर डेप लगाएंगे उसमें तो कौन से मंथ्स का डेप लगाएंगे बेटा? अक्टूबर का लगाएंगे,
नवंबर
3rd से आगे, फिर नवंबर का लगाएंगे, फिर दिसंबर का, फिर जनवरी, फिर फरवरी, फिर मार्च 21 तक. या आप पिछला डेप लगाएंगे उसमें पीछे के मंथ्स का, कि अप्रैल, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. नो, that is gone. Machine is purchased today, so we will charge depreciation from today's date to 31st March. Right? But when we sell that machine like this here, but when we sell this machine, तब हम depreciation charge करेंगे 1st April से till the date of sale. ये मशीन जो आप बेच रहे हैं, इस पे डेप कब का लगना चाहिए? जितना हमने इसे यूज किया है, पीछे का यूज कहां से किया? 1st April to 1st October. अप्रैल तक का डेप तो उस पर लगा हुआ था पहले से, पीछे से लगते हुए आया था. यहां 1st April से अभी उस पर कोई डेप नहीं लगा है. So the debt will be charged from the 1st of April or 1st date of the accounting year till the date of sale. यही major difference है. यही हमने आपको सबसे पहले लिखवाया था when I started depreciation. The two very important dates. The dates are, in the first year you will calculate depreciation on date of purchase to 31st March, and in the year of sale you will calculate depreciation on 1st April to year the date of sale. एक में 1st April से date of sale तक और दूसरे में date of purchase से 31st March तक. ये अगर आप ध्यान रखेंगे, मंथ्स का ध्यान रखेंगे, मेथड का ध्यान रखेंगे, ये ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट है. अब अगर आप इसे ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट की तरह करते रहे, यहां भी 3500 आएगा डेप, यहां भी 3500 आएगा डेप, और लास्ट में भी आप 35,000 पे ही डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट पे. सो दैट इज अ डिफरेंट मेथड, दिस इज अ डिफरेंट मेथड, बट द प्रोसीजर ऑफ मेकिंग द अकाउंट इज सेम. The procedure of making the account is same. There is no difference in the procedure of making the account. So it should be kept in mind that though the methods are different, but when you prepare the machinery account, there is no difference in any way. So keep this in mind. This is also a 8 marks question. In most of the questions in this chapter, you will be asked to calculate profit or loss on sale of machinery. Profit or loss on sale of machinery. In some questions, it will be asked to calculate the selling price by giving the profit or loss. That also we will do. And there are some other type of questions also. But these are the two methods which we are going to do in depreciation. This week is over now. Tomorrow is no class. Next week also we will continue depreciation, and we will continue next chapter in business.
Hello.
And depreciation will be continued in the next week also. Yes, who is saying something? Again, your cameras are off. Keep your camera on, Prince.
Yes, sir.
I think you don't understand proper English and proper Hindi.
सर नेट नहीं चल रहा है सर, आज वाईफाई सर नेट नहीं चल रहा है इसलिए.
You are taking it lightly. You don't know me properly, I think. Not in dress also.
नेट नहीं चल रहा है सर, बाहर आया हूँ नानी के वहाँ.
This question is the detailed now, each and everything. I am solving the questions on the board so that you get a better understanding of it. You get a better view, better understanding, and also you see how it is done. From where we have to move to which side, how to write the amount, how to find the balance, each and everything should be clear. So Harsh Pant, what are the two methods of calculating depreciation? Explain to you.
Sir, the two methods depreciation.
Two methods.
Sir, we have to know that the sale date and purchase date.
What are the two methods of calculating depreciation? Listen to the question first. I am asking the methods. What are the two methods? Tamanna. What are the two methods of calculation of depreciation? Is not getting the voice. Ayush Yadav. What are the two methods of
original
calculation
cost
of
method.
depreciation?
Original cost method and
Diminution cost.
balance method.
Original cost method and diminishing balance method. Original cost method के तीन नाम हैं. Original cost method, fixed installment method. Fixed because in original cost method or the first method, the depreciation is fixed every year. Every year depreciation is charged on same amount. जितने की asset खरीदी हुई है. अगर ये ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट मेथड होता, इसमें हर साल डेप्रिसिएशन 35,000 पे लगता. Every year the depreciation would have been charged on 35,000 rupees only, because 35,000 was the cost of machine, original cost of machine. Now, because it is diminishing balance method or reducing balance method or written down value method, second method, depreciation is charged on first year 35,000, second year 28,350, Because 31,500 and then 28,350, because these are the reduced value of the assets. Reduced value of the assets. Okay, so this is the proper way of solving the question. Every day solve at least 3 or 4 questions of depreciation. Next week I will continue this chapter. Very soon you will be having the exams, the tests. Be ready for that. Whatever is taught in the second term will be asked, along with some chapters of the first term also. Some chapters of the first term also. Be ready for the test. Prepare yourself. Anybody want to ask anything? Any doubt? Any query? Any question? Any information you want? Anybody?
Sir,
Yes.
so in exams, we can use any of the two methods.
In exam, in the question itself, it will be given to solve the question by which method. उसमें लिखा होगा साफ साफ, depreciation is charged at the rate of 10% per annum on written down value method or original cost method. अगर उसमें नहीं लिखा है क्वेश्चन में, तब आप ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं और रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं. बट it will be clearly mentioned in the question as to which method you have to follow, right? It is normally mentioned in the question very, very clearly which method is to be followed. So I hope it is clear to you. The whole question is solved for you. You must have copied also, and try to solve as many questions as you can and use both methods, original cost method also and written down value method also. Thank you for joining the class. Take care of yourself and God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.